Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your Zoom meeting on your laptop. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now, there are two ways from which you can join your meeting on your laptop. If someone sent you a link, you can directly click on that link and will be redirected to the joining portal, or you can simply click on this join button. From here, you have to enter your credentials, that includes your meeting ID or personal link name, and you can also edit your name, and you can click on this checkbox, and then after that you will have to enter your passcode and click on join again. You will be redirected to this joining portal where host just have to let you in. That's how you can connect Zoom meeting in your laptop. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.